Welcome back to another Silver Hunt and Fill. Alright, we actually have a lot of half dollars here. We got $2 coins. More half dollars. Wow. We got this one that's actually in a holder, so I'm going to take this out of this holder now, and then we'll start filling the books. Let's actually start with the dollar coins. We have two of them. We have a 1922. There's a mint mark on there. San Francisco. And we got an 1884. Philadelphia. Yeah, that's a Philadelphia. We're going to be adding the 1922 San Francisco Peace Dollar into this book here. We're going to be adding the 1884 Morgan Dollar to the book. Now let's add the half dollars. We got an 1897. A 1920. A 1906. A 1950. A 1960, a 1958, a 1945, a 1941, a 1915, a 1906, a 1900, and a 1945. In this book, we're going to be adding the 1897 Philadelphia and the 1900 Philadelphia. And in this book, we're going to be adding the 1906 New Orleans and the 1906 San Francisco. Then we're going to be adding the 1915 Denver. Now let's add the Walking Liberties to the book. The only coin they're adding to this book is the 1920 San Francisco. Now we have the 1920 Philadelphia, the 1920 Denver, and the 1920 San Francisco. We're going to be adding the 1941 Denver, the 1945 San Francisco, and the 1945 Denver. And in this book, we're going to be adding the 1950 Philadelphia, the 1958 Philadelphia, and the 1960 Denver. Now it's time to add the silver dimes to the book. Now for the dimes, we only have Barber dimes, but we have a lot of them. We're going to be adding an 1896, a 1905, a 1910, a 1908, a 1909, a 1900, an 1892, an 1897, an 1899, a 1905, a 1907, a 1903, a 1911, an 1892, a 1902, a 1906, and a 1914. Let's see how many of these go in the book. Hopefully they all do. We're adding a lot to this book. We're adding the 1892, the 1892-0, the 1896, the 1897, the 1899-0, the 1900-S, the 1903-0, the 1905, the 1905-0, the 1906-S, and the 1907-0, the 1908-0, the 1909-0, the 1910-S, the 1911-S, and the 1914-S. This book is going to be almost done soon.